Hello everyone, in the last video we have seen how we can create an object from a class, right? So this object class name and the object name you are going to give and the new keyword and again instantiation of the object using the class name, right? Then using that, then since we have two fields or two attributes or two variable inside the class, we are assigning the values to that particular variables. So how we can assign the value is for my particular object my color is this. Okay, so I'm giving the object name color and the color value. Okay, and then I'm giving the object name wheels, the second parameter, or sorry, second variable or feature, and wheels value, and then I print the value. So how I can print it once I have assigned them? Okay, now I'm printing it using the same name, my car.color, right? So because my car.color is red now, again my car.wheels, it is working fine. So dot that particular variable name dot that particular variable name, and you can assign the values. That is totally fine, right? So if I run this, okay, if I run this as an application, I will see red and 4 are coming here, all good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm trying to create another car object from this class. Okay, another object, because if I have a template, okay, car template or the flower pot template, I want to create as many number of real flower pots from that. Okay, so I add the clay one time and take one flower pot outside, real pot. I add the clay another time inside the template and create another flower pot in the real time. Totally fine, right? Totally fine, yes. So I can create any number of, I can create another one, because that's the purpose of having a template, right? That's the purpose of having a template or blueprint. Okay, so likewise here also I'm going to create another one. Okay, so I will create a car for my friend now. Okay, so I will say the same way car, because I'm copying the same thing, right? Same way I'm going to create another object. So this is how I am adding the clay and create the flower pot. Okay, you understand, right? So car, I will say friend car. I will give a name to this as friend car. So this is the name of that object, right? So I cannot have the same name to the two objects, right? So if I have the same name again, what will happen? It will create confusion. Even for the variables, we cannot give the same name to two variables, right? So I hope you have the fundamental understanding of Java programming, right? Because you know, right, you cannot give same name to two variables, right? So I will give it as friend car, and I will create this as well, this object as well. So this is the way to create an object, as I already said. New keyword, right? New car. So like this, same, only the name is different. Okay, my car, friend car. Again I'm going to assign values to his car, so I will say friend car. Okay, so since this is a car object, same object, what are the values the template is holding, what are the values the blueprint is holding, same values the object can have, right? The same way. Okay, so color and wheels. Okay, so what is that? Color and wheels. So I will say friend car dot color. Okay, let him have a green color car. Okay, I will say it green. Okay, it's a string value, so I'm giving a string. Okay, and again I will say friend car. I will set the wheels as well, right? Dot wheels. So let's say he's having double wheels each side. Okay, so let him have 8 wheels. That means 4 wheels but double. Okay, so just to have a variation, I am just doing it. Okay, so again let me print his car values as well. Okay, so I will copy this just to verify whether he has really got assigned those values to him. Okay, green and 8 are coming or not, we want to see. We will paste it here. Okay, friend car dot color and friend car dot wheels. Okay guys, all good, right? Okay, so I will run it and see whether first my car color and wheel number is printed, then my friend car's color and wheel numbers are printed. I just want to make sure. What is it saying? I will say okay. Okay, so you see first my car is red color, so red and 4 are printed. Then my friend car is green color, green and 8 are printed. See, red and 4, green and 8. So you can create any number of objects or products from a template. Okay, so you can create any number of objects from the class. So the only rule is this, using new keyword. Okay, the same way, and you can assign the values this way. Okay, got it? Okay, now we will see another scenario, because I said you already. Okay, a class can contain two things. Okay, features. Okay, that means color, number of fields, blah blah things. Oh, it's called attributes. that are defined using variables, right? So we have seen the color and the numbers, okay? Features, okay? So car is green color, wheels are 4, those are features, right? Attributes. Oh, that is using implemented using what? Variables. So another thing is functionality, okay? So what kind of functionality a car can have? Driving, okay? A car should be able to driven, horn, making horn sounds, okay? Braking, giving a brake, stopping. So that those kind of things car can have. So what are the things? Driving, okay, horn sounding, stopping, like this. So these functionalities, okay. So for features we have variables. So for the functionalities, what we can have? Okay, we can have, there is something called methods. So I hope you know the fundamental understanding of what a method is, since I assume you know the fundamental Java. So for these things we are using methods, okay. So a class can have two things, features and functionalities. It's obvious. So in other words, a class can have two things, variables and methods. Variables are for features and methods are for functionalities, okay. So you can write a method as well inside class, okay. So we have wrote the variables already, right, and used it. Now we will write a method and see how we can implement it, okay guys. So we will see it in the upcoming video. Until then guys, have a great day ahead.